Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I'm going to show you guys what's inside the package. I just received another watch from Amazon Prime, and I'm going to open it up and show you guys what's in there. But before I get started, as always, I just wanted to thank my current subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I do appreciate everything, all the likes and subscribes. You guys are helping me grow this channel in record time, and I could not be happier about that. So, once again, if you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick these watches up and wear them for yourself. So, without further ado, let's get into this package and see what Amazon Prime has sent me today. Okay. It is an ADDIESDIVE watch. Now, you guys know I love these ADDIESDIVE watches. They're great quality watches for a great price. This watch, let's see what we've got. Okay, so comes with the warranty card, comes with the instruction booklet, which is most likely a generic instruction booklet for all the watches. And the watch itself, let's take a good look at it here. So this is a watch that I was pretty excited to receive. I ordered this watch. This watch comes in a couple of different colors. I think the other color is black and silver. But they only had a few of these blue with the orange lume on it. So I picked up the blue and the orange. I just figured it would be a nicer addition to my collection instead of having the black and the silver. But very nice watches. These watches, this is the ADDIESDIVE AD2054. This actually has a Japanese quartz movement, which is the Miyota 2115, I believe, 2115. So it is a quartz watch, but very nice watches, especially for the price. You guys aren't even going to believe it when I tell you what the price is on this watch. It's very, very highly spec'd for the price, so you are getting a great deal on this watch. I think it's on sale right now. I think you can get this for 15% off on Amazon right now. But let's just go over a couple of the features that this watch has. It's a hardlex crystal, so you get that extra scratch protection on the crystal. It does have a ceramic bezel, guys. It's a matte finished ceramic bezel. And it's got a super huge magnification on the date window on the Cyclops eye. It is a date format, and it does have an anti-glare blue filter. It's an anti-glare coating on the hardlex crystal. So it's a really, really nice feature to have. It's got the C3 green luminescence. The only problem is there's no luminescence on the dial, or I mean on the bezel, because the bezel is actually a matte ceramic. So the only lume you'll get will be on the hands and the dial. This watch right now is about $70, $70, and I think you can get a 15% off coupon right now if you click on that affiliate link below and head on over and pick it up. Guys, it's a great quality watch. These ADDIESDIVE watches are a really good quality build. Very nice bracelets on these things. This is a very, very nicely highly spec'd watch for the price. I mean, for you to get something like this for under $100 is actually a really good deal. I've actually seen this exact same model for up to $150 on other websites. This is a great deal for this watch. It does have, like I said, it's got that matte blue finish on a matte ceramic bezel with the orange indices and the lume hands. It's a very nice dive watch. 200, I believe, 200 meters of water resistance. Let's see, what does it say? Yes, 200 meters of water resistance on this thing. Very, very nice build. A totally wonderful watch. It's going to be a pleasure to wear. You know, I like my, this is a SteelDive, which is very, very similar to the ADDIESDIVE watch. This is, I can't remember the model number on this one. I want to say maybe 2017. I might be wrong about that. But these watches anyway, great quality watches from ADDIESDIVE, SteelDive. Just a really good company when it comes to watch designs and builds. So this is going to be a really nice addition to my collection. Once again, this is the ADDIESDIVE AD2054 with the Japanese Miyota 2115 movement. It does have the Hardlex crystal with the ceramic bezel, matte ceramic bezel. It is a stainless steel case, screw down case back with the anti-glare Hardlex crystal. It does feature a screw down crown, even though it is a quartz movement. But everything on this watch just moves very, very fluidly. It's nice and smooth. There's no hang-ups on anything. It's got the, you know, the tri-position crown stem to change the date. It's nice and fluid. Everything moves nice and clean. And it does have that huge Cyclops magnification on the crystal. So, like I said, there's no ceramic, no lume on the bezel itself, but it is a matte ceramic bezel, so you're getting a really good quality bezel. Like I said, guys, for the price, you can't beat it. It's like I said, it's around 70 bucks on Amazon right now, and I believe that if you do click on that link right now, you can head on over and take advantage of that 15% off coupon on Amazon Prime. So anyhow, that is the watch for today. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here on YouTube and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick those up for yourself. If you'd like to start yourself a nice watch collection and you don't want to sell your house to do it, this is the channel you want to pay attention to. I'm Dave the Watchman. I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. So if you like that concept, thumbs up. And if you have any questions about anything, or any information about any of these watches, or any questions that you want answered, just post those in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer all questions and comments. And if you do want to become a member, just click on that join now button and you can become a member and support Dave the Watchman on YouTube in real time. You can also do a super like over in the corner if you want, and show your appreciation for the video. So once again, thank you guys so much. I am Dave the Watchman, and until the next watch review video, I hope you guys all have a great week.